Good afternoon. We finally arrived here in Tallinn, Estonia. The weather is very bright and beautiful. It's a beautiful day. After 2.5 hours, we are already here. It's nice. I'm in another country again in Europe. First time here in Tallinn, Estonia. I'm so happy. I love my holiday. I love our holiday. It's beautiful. This is their bus. This is the view here. Nice weather.